Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix that if Messenger Lite is not available. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Messenger Lite. Once you search that, here you can see that you only see Facebook Lite, but there is no Messenger Lite. So I already on install on my mobile when it is available, so let me show you. But once you open here, you can see that Messenger Lite is no longer available. So we know your chats are important to you, so everything from Messenger Lite is still available in Messenger. So here you need to click on try Messenger. So I search on Google as well, and let me show you. I search on Google Messenger Lite not available, and once I search on that, here you can see that for it is discontinuing its Messenger Lite app for Android devices. So you are unable to see Messenger Lite working on Android, and this is the new update. And recently Meta announced that it is discontinuing Messenger Lite for Android devices, so that's why you are unable to see and you are unable to use that in your device. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.